Hi everyone, I am Ramla BV, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, MES College, Marambali. Today, I am discussing about GST or Goods and Service Tax. Before starting to discuss about GST, we want to know about what is tax and what are the different types of tax. Tax. What is tax? Tax is a fee collected by the government on income, product or services. It is collected to meet the expenses of the government like defense, education, healthcare, infrastructure facilities, etc. It is compulsorily collected from the people. There are different types of taxes, direct tax and indirect tax. A direct tax is one in which the impact and incidence of tax are on the same person. The example of direct tax is income tax. Then, in case of indirect tax, the burden is on one person, but it is actually suffered by another person. Example is GST. What is GST? Goods and Services Tax. It is an indirect tax levied on the goods and services within India and aims at making the country a unified common market. GST brought the Indian taxation system under its unique ideology, one nation, one tax. It subsumed all the indirect taxes of India. It is a destination-based tax distributed among the central and state government under the components of CGST and SGST. There are different methods of taxation, that is progressive tax, regressive tax and proportional tax. The history of GST begins from February 2006 and it came into force in the year 2017. What are the taxes to be subsumed in GST? There are central taxes and state taxes which are subsumed in GST. The central taxes subsumed in GST are excise duty, additional excise duty, service tax, additional customs duty, countervailing duty, surcharge and SENVAT. The state taxes which is subsumed in GST are VAT, entertainment tax, luxury tax, tax on lottery, betting and gambling, entry tax and octroi. Certain products are excluded from imposing GST. Petroleum product, alcohol and tobacco product are excluded from GST. What is GST Council? GST levy will be administered by GST Council and it consists of a chairman. A chairman, that is Union Finance Minister is the chairman. Union Minister in charge of state revenue or finance. Then Minister in charge of finance or taxation. Any other minister, finance minister of the state nominated by each state government would constitute the GST Council. What are the benefits of GST? GST is a transparent tax system, uniform tax system across India. It reduces tax evasion. Then the export will be more competitive under GST. Hurdles or limitations of GST are the following. There is dispute between central government and state government over tax sharing. Highly sophisticated IT infrastructure required for this GST. Issue of taxing e-commerce is to be appropriately addressed and integrated. And there is a political imbalance between central government and state government. That's all. Thank you.